we are going to draw these figures out of fun. So we have 5 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have constraint here, they, and they. Okay, since our dimensions are in millimeters, we're gonna go new there, we go metric, standards millimeters, I'm gonna say create. In here, we are going to start with this line here. There is our line. After that, we're gonna go for this square here. So there is our square, and this needs to be 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. Since it's a square, we need to make sure that this one is equal to that one. All right. That is the. After that, we're gonna go for these lines here. Okay. So there is our line, right? Then comes our second line. Okay. After that goes our fourth line. Let's go like this. Then it goes up to there. Good. So we'll make sure that this one is parallel to that one. It is parallel. And this one needs to be perpendicular to that one. It is perpendicular. That is good. Okay. Now that we have all this in place, the next thing that we want this point here to fall over there, which is good. Okay, we want that one there to go with that one, to it gone with it. Then we're gonna trim this part that we don't need. Okay, after that we make sure that this one is equal to that one, or that one is, yeah, it's already equal. It's fine. Now we'll make sure that from here to there we have 42 millimeters. That is 42. Then after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw rectangles. So we start with the first one, okay, the second one, and the third one. So now we need to make sure that this one here is 27. Good. That one needs to be 12 millimeters. Then we know that that one there is 3 millimeters. Next, we need to make sure that this one is equal to this one. Good. That one needs to be equal to that one. And this one needs to be equal to that one. All right. Now that we have this in place, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go on 3D model. Now you need to do this carefully for you to get the same result as me. You see there? You see there? Okay. So you need to get the same result. So what you're gonna do is you come here, you click on that one and that one. Okay. But I want 1 millimeter, so 1 millimeter. Okay. Now you can click on that one too, with 1 millimeter. But if these are the ones, what you can do is, okay, I can click on that one too, because this one here goes with 1, 2, yeah, it goes with that one. Now on that one, I can say plus. I want it to go the other way so that we can see a difference. Okay, we can see the line, this line between them. I say okay. Now this is what I have. Okay, can you see that? Next, what you want now, you're gonna go on 3D model, or you can just come here and give the color. So I want this one here to be orange, plus this one here I want it to be green, plus this one here I want it to be red. Okay, now this one here I want it to be pink, purple. Now I want this one here to be what color? Blue. There you go. Okay, now you have your figures, just a little bit different from mine, but everything is the same. Now you have it there, beautifully done. Okay, it was a pleasure of mine sharing this with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.